I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to cancel your subscription on the Peacock app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Peacock app. Launch the Peacock app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. Step 3. Select Subscription. In Account Settings menu, find and select the subscription option. This will show you your current subscription details. Step 4. Cancel Subscription. Look for the Cancel Subscription button and tap on it. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Note: be aware that you may still have access until the end of your billing cycle. Step 5. Check confirmation. After cancelling, check your email for a confirmation message from Peacock. This ensures your subscription has been successfully cancelled. I hope this helps you manage your Peacock subscription easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.